Honestly, open that bag.
I'm about like 99% of like I don't give a
bird go?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button right now for dope content coming out soon. As you can see, that Gus finally got his car painted. He's not here right now. This is a new day. I actually lagged down the vlogging, so now we're here. Today, me and Dallas and Gus are actually gonna go pick up some skirts we ordered last week from Auto Couture. We also want to give big thanks to Ricky for painting Gus's car last week. So shout out to you, Ricky. And I also got a couple new things. I got some new wheels. Yeah, some Brazierias. But yeah, they're not really built. They don't really got the lips, but shout out to Gus for helping me find these things. And they are actually in pretty good condition. They're super icy. The caps are super nice, and Gus likes to step on the wheels. But caps are nice. They are pretty nice. So I'm probably gonna rebuild these. If not, run them like this. Just get new tires and then run them on the wagon. Because I am kind of tired of those black wheels, if you guys know what I'm talking about. But they're over here. These black wheels. Yes, I'm tired of it. It looks like I'm a drug dealer. That black on black. It's not really my thing, but I like it dark, but my wheels, when they're black, yeah, it's not cutting it. But they are actually 18 by, I think 8 or 9. Holy bitch. They're super dirty. Hold on, let me. $18 by 9. Plus 44. So yeah, they're actually all right, but the lip sizes are like 2 inches, an inch and a half. I don't know, but I have to go through VR or someone else to get these get lips and rebuild them. But I could honestly do them myself because Dallas did his Alex Z's way back then. Mission news! But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go get ready and then go pick up the skirts. My skirts and Dallas's skirts. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So we just got back and we got our skirts. So Hoffman got some weird ass skirts, I don't even know, but they look cool. And I got the Vertex ones. We actually went to Extreme Dimensions to pick them up. But yeah. They're like the Vertex rep, so I am actually gonna install them another day, but I want to show you guys the new stuff that Hoffman got. So Hoffman just got a new bumper, pretty cheap too. It's like the L-Tune bumper you could get from Japan, but this one's fiberglass. And we did all the, or he did all the cutting and everything. It fit really bad when we got it, but he chopped off like the fog light holders, and then like the bumper was just bad in general. It came with like a grill built into the bumper already, and yeah, it was weird, but this bumper actually looks super aggressive and I like it. Shows off the intercooler more. So if you guys already know, we are going to be at Toyotafest this year with me, Dallas, Gus, and Travis so far. We don't know if Flex and the other homies are gonna be showing, but so far us 4 are gonna be showing, and that's why we're getting like our kit and everything ready to go. I also wanted to get skirts and get some more things because I actually have more things coming in, but because my car right now looks exactly how it did last Toyotafest, so I kind of want to like change it up. And Hoffman got these skirts. What do you think they replicate, Hoffman? Yeah, it kind of looks like what Dallas said was like the Airwalker, but these skirts are pretty clean. I've never seen them in person, but like there's like a little indent right here, and he wanted to go like for a different look instead of like being original like a BN kit or like a Vertex kit. But how's the fitment? Oh no, nigga! I thought you were gonna. No, I was just asking in general. I don't know. Yeah. Do it by myself. All right. Hold up. Let me get this side. Jesus, this green thingy is in the way.
Dang, that actually.
Damn, that actually looks pretty good.
That actually looks pretty sick, dude.
Oh! Dude, the fitment's actually really good. You didn't have to cut anything.
I just slapped her on.
Sick. Now you just gotta mount them.
I had to turn this around.
Dude, it actually looks super. Dude, it goes with the front bumper too. It's like super clean.
Actually says pretty low.
Yeah, it's pretty low.
Are those for your car or Dallas's car?
I got some too. It's in the bed.
You didn't notice?
Hey, Hoffman got his lip in too. Same lip I have for the rear. Damn, you're almost Toyotafest ready, bro.
Is that from Toyota?
Nah, he wishes.
Huh?
He wishes. Dude, I like how they came in a bag. Like mine came in a box and everything.
This is the same color as this car, right? You
Yeah,
painted it, right?
close.
Yeah. Just no clear on it, that's why.
I'm surprised they came in a bag.
The only problem with the front now is it's going to blow your inner.
Yeah, I know. Well, all the bumpers are going through.
Oh yeah, and then he has to get his exhaust fitted again because it's
That's why I'm
the hanger's broken and everything.
OEM bumper on and then the aftermarket one in the car.
Yeah.
Slap.
Gus.
That's the one without an engine swap.
Damn. So this is the lip I have on my sedan, and Dallas decided to get one too. So it's super clean. He already got his whole kit, and his wheels are actually coming in.
That's all I have to worry about.
Damn, look how flimsy that is. Looks like... Oh, we gotta stretch it. Hold on. Damn, it's on.
Because when I went drifting, the hanger.
It's crazy how a lip changes so much. No, he's just gotta mount it.
No,
but yeah, it actually looks really clean.
good job welding it. So when I'm like,
Too bad your hangers are broken. So we are gonna put on my skirt on this side. See how bad it fits.
take that off.
Yeah, so for the Vertex skirts, you gotta take these off. It's pretty cool. And you put them back on when you put the skirt on. Holy shit. I guess
In
they're
the front, like if you wanted
just a
to
little
trim
bit
right here, just so it clears the door, so
Uh-huh.
you don't have to like fucking like slide it under.
Damn, dude. I don't have to trim on this one.
But yeah, so you could get it up like flush right here.
So it's just a little bit trimming, but dude, it actually fits up perfect.
And you already got the fucking.
The hole, yeah. And then I was gonna put another hole right there. Where you? Oh shit, that's too low. Probably right here or something. But I guess it fits up perfect. But usually you would get these and then put up right here, and then I'll hold it in place and not fly out. I like these skirts because door actually holds your skirt into, so, but it actually looks super clean. Dude, the height is probably like almost the same thing, huh, as the other side?
Yeah, huh?
This one's a little bit higher,
Yeah,
that's
a little
it.
bit higher.
But this is like a perfect height for your car.
Yeah, it is, honestly. Even for like drifting.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Good choice. If you guys are interested in these Vertex reps, they're actually, we got them from Extreme Dimensions. And this is the serial number. It's called the V-Speed 2. But yeah, if you guys are interested, that is the number you tell them. Or you could just tell them V-Speed 2. And they'll get the skirts. From 2000 to 2005 Lexus ICE 300. And I know you guys want to know, actually you guys kind of saw Gus's paint color at night when Ricky was painting it. And it's right here. It's super clean. This is still stage 1 paint, but there is some pearly pearl in it. Fuck, can't even see it. Can't see it. Well, when you shine the light up to it, you see it, but he's getting, he already has wheels, he's getting new tires, and he should be good. But so much better than the white he had, because the white was like literally 2 different colors, one bright white and one like more darker white, and his car was a 2-tone, so it was like gray and white at the top. If you guys seen the like latest videos, you guys would have saw what it used to look like, but she's looking very clean since it's one color now. Very happy with it. You still see a reflection too? Super clean. Shout out to Ricky for painting it for him. But yeah, this is how she looks during the day. It's like a blackish darkish like blue, like a midnight blue. That's lit. Need some help? Damn, I'm surprised these skirts actually fit up perfect, dude.
Yeah, I need a drill like right there.
Yeah, so don't fly out. Right there, that front part's not inside there. There you go. Oh.
Just need to screw them.
Yeah. Just a little bit fitting and she should be good. Oh, this is like tucking in. You want to pull it out more?
Yeah.
There you go. It's a little bit better. Damn, son.
Those are pretty low.
Yeah, they are pretty low. If you guys know me, this is like probably my fourth set of Vertex side skirts, but I haven't had side skirts since my like third IS, and I'm on my 6th one right now. But yeah. Hoffman's about to pull in and get everything fitted correctly. I'm probably gonna do it later. Sick, bro. Where's the steering wheel, bro?
Yeah, you can get metal.